No flood insurance required. Make your appointment today to see this beautifully appointed home. As you enter the home, you will enjoy the open floor plan of the living room, dining room and kitchen, great for gathering. The home features 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and over the past couple years has been completely updated. The kitchen has been updated with stylish cabinetry, granite countertops and tile backsplash. The bathroom has also been nicely updated and most recently new windows have been installed. The home sits on a large corner lot fenced with 6 feet vinyl privacy fence. The backyard is large enough for a pool to be added and still have room to store your boat or RV. Located near a bus line, shopping, restaurants, schools, Fossil Park and Mangrove Golf Course, and an easy commute to Tampa.